Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Comerica Bank credit card, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Comerica Bank website. Locate the credit cards section on the home page. Click on the link that directs you to available credit card options. Review the different types of credit cards offered by Comerica. Select the card that best suits your financial needs and preferences. Click on the Apply Now button associated with your chosen card. You will be directed to the online application form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Enter your contact details, including your email address and phone number. Provide your financial information, including your income and employment details. If applicable, disclose any existing debts or review the terms and conditions provided on the application page. Make sure to read the privacy policy to understand how your information will be used. Once you have filled out all necessary fields, double-check your information for accuracy. When you are certain that everything is correct, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your application has been received. Wait for a decision regarding your application, which may take a few minutes to a few days. If approved, you will receive your new Comerica Bank credit card by mail. Follow any additional instructions provided with your card to activate it. Once activated, you can start using your Comerica Bank credit card for purchases. Always remember to manage your card responsibly to maintain a good credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.